In the theater of modern aerial warfare, where precision strikes and versatility reign supreme, one aircraft stands out as a symbol of Russia's air dominance, the Sukhoi Su-34. With its sleek design, formidable firepower, and unrivaled performance, the Su-34 represents a fusion of cutting-edge technology and combat-proven capabilities. Imagine soaring through the skies at Mach speeds, navigating through hostile territories with pinpoint accuracy, and delivering devastating blows to enemy targets, all from the comfort of a state-of-the-art cockpit. Join us on an exhilarating journey as we unveil the secrets of this mighty strike aircraft, exploring its history, design, weaponry, and operational prowess. From the drawing board to the battlefield, witness the evolution of the Su-34 and discover why it stands as a formidable force in the global arms race. Get ready to be immersed in a world where power meets precision, and where every mission is a testament to the ingenuity of modern aviation. Welcome aboard as we embark on an unforgettable adventure into the heart of Russia's aerial might, the Sukhoi Su-34. In the fast-paced landscape of modern warfare, the Sukhoi Su-34 emerges as a defining force, reshaping the dynamics of aerial combat with its unparalleled capabilities. Born from the vision of the Sukhoi Design Bureau, this twin-engine, twin-seat marvel represents the pinnacle of Russian aerospace engineering, blending innovation with battlefield prowess to create a formidable weapon of war. At its core, the Su-34 embodies the evolution of strategic thinking in response to the complexities of contemporary conflicts. Designed as a successor to the venerable Su-24, this aircraft was meticulously crafted to fulfill a diverse array of roles, ranging from precision strike missions to electronic warfare and reconnaissance. Its significance in modern aerial warfare cannot be overstated, as it serves as a linchpin in Russia's strategic doctrine, projecting power across vast distances with unmatched efficiency. Throughout this video, we will embark on an immersive journey into the world of the Sukhoi Su-34, unraveling its rich history, exploring its advanced design features, delving into its formidable arsenal, and analyzing its performance in the crucible of real-world conflicts. But before we dive into the intricate details of this remarkable aircraft, let us first set the stage with a brief overview of the Su-34 and an exploration of its pivotal role in shaping the future of aerial warfare. Join us as we uncover the secrets of one of the world's most formidable warplanes, the Sukhoi Su-34. The origins of the Sukhoi Su-34 can be traced back to the late 1980s when the Soviet Union recognized the necessity for a successor to the aging Su-24 tactical bomber. The Su-24, while a capable aircraft in its own right, was beginning to show its age, particularly in terms of avionics, range, and survivability in modern air defense environments. With the emergence of advanced air defense systems and the changing nature of warfare, there was a pressing need for a new aircraft that could fulfill the roles of long-range strike, interdiction, and reconnaissance with greater efficiency and effectiveness. Enter the Sukhoi Design Bureau, renowned for its expertise in designing high-performance military aircraft. Drawing upon lessons learned from previous projects such as the Su-27, Sukhoi embarked on the ambitious task of developing a next-generation strike aircraft that would not only surpass the capabilities of its predecessor but also rival the best in the world. The development of the Su-34 spanned over several years, marked by a series of key milestones and technological advancements. The project officially kicked off in the late 1980s, with the first prototype taking to the skies in 1990. Initial flight tests revealed promising performance characteristics, prompting further investment and development by the Russian government. Throughout the 1990s and early 2000s, Sukhoi continued to refine the design of the Su-34, incorporating feedback from test pilots and military experts. This iterative process led to significant improvements in aerodynamics, avionics, and weapon systems, culminating in the production of pre-production models for extensive field trials and evaluation. One of the most significant milestones in the Su-34's development came with its official adoption by the Russian Air Force in the mid-2010s, signaling the aircraft's readiness for operational deployment. Since then, the Su-34 has undergone continuous upgrades and enhancements to maintain its status as a cutting-edge platform in the ever-evolving landscape of modern warfare. The development of the Su-34 was not without its share of challenges and setbacks. From technical hurdles to budget constraints and political upheavals, Sukhoi encountered numerous obstacles along the path to realizing its vision of a next-generation strike aircraft. One of the primary challenges was the integration of advanced avionics and weapon systems into the airframe while ensuring compatibility and reliability in a high-stress operational environment. Additionally, the collapse of the Soviet Union in the early 1990s led to disruptions in funding and resource allocation, slowing down the pace of development and testing. Despite these challenges, Sukhoi persevered, leveraging its expertise and ingenuity to overcome obstacles and deliver a truly groundbreaking aircraft that would redefine the capabilities of the modern battlefield. The Su-34 stands as a testament to the resilience and determination of the Russian aerospace industry, showcasing the country's commitment to maintaining its edge in the global arms race. The Sukhoi Su-34 boasts a robust airframe meticulously designed to withstand the rigors of modern combat operations. With a length of 23.34 meters and a wingspan that ranges from 8.7 to 14.7 meters, depending on wing configuration, the Su-34 strikes an imposing figure in the sky. Its streamlined fuselage and sleek contours minimize drag while maximizing aerodynamic efficiency, enabling high-speed flight and agile maneuverability. At the heart of the Su-34's design is its versatility, evident in its spacious internal payload bay capable of accommodating a wide array of munitions, including guided bombs, air-to-surface missiles, and anti-ship weapons. This modular approach allows for rapid reconfiguration between different mission profiles, from precision strikes against fortified targets to suppression of enemy air defenses and maritime interdiction operations. One of the most distinctive features of the Sukhoi Su-34 is its side-by-side cockpit layout, which sets it apart from traditional single-seat fighter aircraft. This innovative design provides several advantages, chief among them enhanced crew coordination and situational awareness. With both the pilot and the navigator/weapons officers seated next to each other, communication and decision-making are streamlined, enabling faster response times and more effective mission execution. Furthermore, the side-by-side configuration allows for better distribution of workload, with each crew member responsible for specific tasks based on their expertise. While the pilot maintains control of the aircraft, the navigator/weapons officer can focus on navigation, target acquisition, and weapon employment, ensuring optimal efficiency during high-stress combat scenarios. Another notable feature of the Su-34 is its variable sweep wing configuration, which allows for dynamic adjustment of wing sweep angle to optimize performance across different flight regimes. By varying the sweep angle, the aircraft can achieve the ideal balance between lift, drag, and stability, enabling superior agility at both low and high speeds. This flexibility in wing geometry grants the Su-34 an edge in combat situations where maneuverability is paramount, such as dogfighting engagements or evasive maneuvers in hostile airspace. Additionally, the variable sweep wings enhance the aircraft's range and endurance by reducing fuel consumption during cruise flight, thereby extending its operational reach and loiter time over target areas. From its rugged construction to its advanced electronic countermeasures suite, the Sukhoi Su-34 is engineered with a relentless focus on durability, maneuverability, and survivability. Reinforced with composite materials and hardened alloys, the airframe is designed to withstand enemy fire and adverse environmental conditions, ensuring mission success in the face of adversity. Moreover, the Su-34's advanced fly-by-wire flight control system and high-thrust engines provide unmatched agility and responsiveness, allowing it to outmaneuver adversaries and evade incoming threats with ease. Combined with its sophisticated defensive aids, including radar warning receivers, infrared countermeasures, and chaff/flare dispensers, the Su-34 boasts a formidable defensive posture that enhances its survivability in contested airspace. In essence, the Sukhoi Su-34 represents a harmonious blend of cutting-edge technology and battle-tested design principles, embodying the pinnacle of Russian aerospace innovation and setting a new standard for multi-role combat aircraft in the 21st century. The Sukhoi Su-34 is a formidable presence in the skies, boasting impressive specifications that underscore its capabilities as a multi-role strike aircraft. With a length of 23.34 meters, 76 feet 6 inches, and a wingspan that varies from 8.7 meters, 28 feet 7 inches, in the swept position to 14.7 meters, 48 feet 3 inches. When spread, the Su-34 strikes a balance between agility and stability. Its maximum takeoff weight of 45,100 kilograms, 99,430 pounds, further highlights its robust construction and payload capacity. In terms of performance, the Su-34 is capable of reaching speeds of up to Mach 1.8, allowing it to swiftly traverse vast distances and engage high-speed targets with precision. Its impressive range of 4,000 kilometers, 2,100 nautical miles, on internal fuel, extendable through aerial refueling, ensures the aircraft's endurance and operational flexibility, enabling it to conduct long-range strike missions deep into enemy territory. At the heart of the Sukhoi Su-34's formidable performance lies its advanced powerplant, comprised of two afterburning turbofan engines. While specific details regarding the Su-34's powerplant are often classified, it is widely believed that the aircraft is powered by the Saturn AL-31 FM-1 engines, which are also used on the Su-27 family of aircraft. The Saturn AL-31 FM-1 engines are renowned for their robustness, versatility, and proven track record in various combat aircraft operated by the Russian Air Force. These engines are characterized by their high thrust output, with each engine capable of producing up to 123 knots, 27,600 lb-f, of thrust in afterburner mode. This impressive power allows the Su-34 to achieve exceptional performance, including rapid acceleration, sustained supersonic flight, and high-altitude operations. Furthermore, the AL-31 FM-1 engines feature advanced technologies such as Full Authority Digital Engine Control, FADIC, which optimizes engine performance across all flight regimes while minimizing pilot workload. This ensures precise control over engine parameters, enhances fuel efficiency, and extends engine service life. One of the most notable features of the Su-34's powerplant is its thrust vectoring capability, which provides the aircraft with enhanced maneuverability and agility in both subsonic and supersonic flight. By dynamically redirecting engine exhaust gases, the thrust vectoring nozzles allow the Su-34 to perform tight turns, rapid altitude changes, and complex aerial maneuvers with unmatched precision. This capability not only enhances the aircraft's combat effectiveness but also contributes to its survivability by enabling it to evade enemy threats more effectively. In addition to their formidable power output and maneuvering capabilities, the AL-31 FM-1 engines are designed with reliability and maintainability in mind. Their modular construction simplifies maintenance procedures, reduces downtime for maintenance and repairs, and ensures high operational availability for the Su-34 fleet. The formidable specifications of the Sukhoi Su-34 are not merely numbers on a page, but critical elements that synergize to deliver unmatched performance on the battlefield. Its impressive dimensions, speed, and range enable the Su-34 to project power across vast distances, strike targets with pinpoint accuracy, and outmaneuver adversaries with agility and precision. Moreover, the power and efficiency of its twin afterburning turbofan engines provide the Su-34 with the thrust needed to carry heavy payloads and sustain high-speed flight, ensuring mission success even in the face of formidable air defenses. Combined with its advanced avionics suite and versatile weapon systems, these specifications make the Su-34 a formidable force multiplier, capable of dominating the skies and shaping the outcome of conflicts with unparalleled effectiveness. In essence, the Sukhoi Su-34 is more than just a machine, it is a testament to the ingenuity and expertise of Russian aerospace engineering, embodying the pinnacle of multi-role combat aircraft technology and setting a new standard for aerial superiority in the 21st century. The cockpit of the Sukhoi Su-34 is a marvel of ergonomic design and cutting-edge technology, providing a comfortable and efficient workspace for its two crew members, the pilot and the navigator/weapons officer. Unlike traditional fighter aircraft with tandem seating arrangements, the Su-34 features a unique side-by-side cockpit configuration, which offers several advantages in terms of crew coordination and situational awareness. The spacious cockpit is ergonomically designed to minimize pilot fatigue during long-duration missions, with adjustable seating, ample legroom, and intuitive controls within easy reach. Large multifunction displays, MFDs, dominate the instrument panel, providing the crew with comprehensive flight data, sensor feeds, and mission parameters at a glance. Additionally, the cockpit layout is optimized for ease of access and egress, allowing for quick ingress and egress during mission preparation and recovery. The Sukhoi Su-34 is equipped with a state-of-the-art avionics suite, encompassing a wide range of sensors, navigation aids, communication systems, and mission-critical equipment. At the heart of this avionics package is a sophisticated phased array radar, capable of simultaneously tracking multiple targets and providing accurate targeting data for air-to-air and air-to-ground engagements. In addition to radar, the Su-34 is equipped with infrared and electro-optical sensors for enhanced situational awareness and target acquisition in all weather conditions. Complementing the radar and sensor suite are advanced navigation systems, including GPS, inertial navigation, and terrain-following radar, which enable precise navigation and low-level flight operations in complex environments. Communication systems allow for seamless integration with ground control centers and other aircraft, facilitating coordinated mission execution and real-time situational awareness. Furthermore, the Su-34's avionics package includes electronic warfare (EW) and countermeasure systems to detect and counter hostile threats, such as radar-guided missiles and enemy aircraft. These EW systems provide active and passive protection, including jamming of enemy radar signals and deployment of decoy flares to confuse incoming missiles. The side-by-side cockpit layout of the Su-34 plays a crucial role in enhancing crew coordination and workload distribution during flight operations. With both the pilot and the navigator/weapons officers seated next to each other, communication is streamlined, enabling rapid exchange of information and coordinated decision-making. This collaborative approach allows for more efficient mission execution, with each crew member leveraging their expertise to optimize performance and situational awareness. Moreover, the Su-34's advanced avionics systems and cockpit design facilitate workload distribution, with specific tasks assigned to each crew member based on their role and responsibilities. While the pilot maintains control of the aircraft and monitors flight parameters, the navigator/weapons officer focuses on navigation, sensor operation, and weapon employment, ensuring optimal efficiency and situational awareness throughout the mission. In essence, the cockpit and avionics systems of the Sukhoi Su-34 are meticulously designed to optimize crew performance, enhance situational awareness, and maximize mission effectiveness in the demanding operational environments of modern aerial warfare. By combining advanced technology with thoughtful ergonomic design, the Su-34 sets a new standard for cockpit innovation and crew coordination in multi-role combat aircraft. The Sukhoi Su-34 is equipped with a formidable array of weaponry, ranging from guns and rockets to a diverse selection of missiles and bombs, enabling it to engage a wide range of targets with precision and devastating firepower. The Su-34 is armed with a single 30mm Gryazev Shipyonov GSH-30-1 autocannon with 180 rounds, providing close-range defense capabilities against airborne and ground targets. The aircraft features a total of 12 hardpoints, distributed across its wings and fuselage, with a combined capacity of 12,000 to 14,000 kilograms, 26,000 to 31,000 pounds. These hardpoints allow for the attachment of various munitions, including rockets, missiles, and bombs, tailored to specific mission requirements. The Su-34 can be outfitted with different types of rocket pods, including B-8 rocket pods for 20 times S8KOM/OM/BM rockets, B-13 rocket pods for 5 times S13T/ of rockets, O-25 rocket pods for 1 times S25 OFMPU rocket. The Su-34's armament options include a wide range of air-to-air, air-to-surface, anti-ship, anti-radiation, and cruise missiles, such as air-to-air missiles, R-27R/ER/T/ET, R-73, R-77. Air-to-surface missiles, KH-25ML/MT, KH-29L/T/D, KH-31A/AD, KH-35U, KH-38MAE/MKE/MLE/MTE, KH-58, KH-59Me/MK/MK2, KH-47M2. Anti-ship missiles, P-800 Onyx, KH-41. Anti-radiation missiles, KH-25MP, KH-58, KH-31P/PD. Cruise missiles, KH-36 Gram E1, KH-65S/SE, KHSD. The Su-34 is capable of delivering a variety of guided and unguided bombs, including TV-guided bombs, KAB-500KR, KAB-1500KR. Laser-guided bombs, KAB-500L, KAB-1500L. Guided bombs, KAB-500OD, KAB-500SE, OFAB-250-270, OFAB-100-120. Gliding bombs, FAB-250 UMPK, FAB-500 UMPK, FAB-1500 UMPK. Other bombs, FAB-500T, BATAB-500 SHP, P-50T, ODAB-500 PM. Cluster bombs, RBK-500. Specialized munitions, SPBED. This extensive arsenal allows the Su-34 to engage a wide range of targets, including enemy aircraft, ground vehicles, ships, radar installations, and fortified positions, with precision and devastating effect, making it a versatile and lethal asset in modern aerial warfare. While the Sukhoi Su-34 in its current configuration represents a formidable force in its own right, there have been proposals for variants and potential future developments aimed at further enhancing its capabilities or expanding its export potential. One such variant is the Su-32, an export model of the Su-34 offered to foreign customers, with Algeria being a potential recipient. The Su-32 retains many of the Su-34's advanced features and capabilities, but may incorporate modifications or adaptations to suit the requirements of specific international clients. Additionally, there have been discussions surrounding the development of upgraded variants such as the Su-34M or Su-34 Novo Nordisk, Novaya Vozdushnaya Obrabaka, meaning new air processing, which could incorporate advanced avionics, enhanced weapons systems, and improved performance characteristics to ensure the Su-34 remains at the forefront of aerial warfare for years to come. These proposed variants could further cement the Su-34's reputation as a premier multi-role combat aircraft and expand its operational capabilities in a rapidly evolving global security landscape. The Sukhoi Su-34 has seen significant action in various conflicts, notably in the Syrian Civil War, where it played a crucial role in supporting Russian military operations and bolstering the Assad regime against rebel and extremist forces. Deployed to Syria in September 2015 as part of Russia's intervention in the conflict, the Su-34 quickly proved its worth as a versatile and highly capable strike aircraft. In Syria, the Su-34 demonstrated its formidable combat capabilities in a wide range of missions, including precision airstrikes against terrorist targets, close air support for Syrian government forces, and reconnaissance and surveillance operations to gather intelligence on enemy movements. With its advanced avionics, long-range strike capabilities, and extensive payload capacity, the Su-34 proved to be a lethal asset in the fight against terrorist organizations such as ISIS and Al-Qaeda-affiliated groups. One of the most notable achievements of the Su-34 in Syria was its role in the liberation of Aleppo, Syria's largest city, from rebel control. The aircraft conducted numerous airstrikes targeting terrorist strongholds and key infrastructure, paving the way for the eventual recapture of the city by Syrian government forces. Additionally, the Su-34 played a critical role in disrupting terrorist supply lines and logistical networks, striking convoys transporting weapons, ammunition, and fighters across the Syrian-Turkish border. By interdicting these supply routes, the aircraft helped weaken the capabilities of extremist groups and degrade their ability to launch attacks against civilian populations. Furthermore, the Su-34's precision strike capabilities were instrumental in minimizing collateral damage and civilian casualties during operations in densely populated urban areas. Its ability to accurately target enemy positions while minimizing risks to non-combatants earned praise from both military commanders and international observers, highlighting the aircraft's effectiveness as a surgical tool of warfare. Overall, the Su-34's operational history in conflicts such as the Syrian Civil War underscores its versatility, reliability, and combat effectiveness in modern warfare. From precision airstrikes against high-value targets to close air support for ground forces, the Su-34 has proven itself to be a formidable asset on the battlefield, capable of shaping the outcome of conflicts and safeguarding national security interests with lethal precision. The Sukhoi Su-34, once heralded as a modern juggernaut of the Russian Air Force, found itself embroiled in the conflict in eastern Ukraine following Russia's invasion in February 2022. Deployed as a key asset in Russia's military campaign, the Su-34 was tasked with providing close air support, conducting precision strikes, and asserting air superiority over Ukrainian forces. Initially perceived as a formidable threat by Ukrainian forces and their Western allies, the Su-34's deployment raised concerns over Russia's potential use of hypersonic weapons, particularly the Kinzhal missile, which was successfully launched from a Su-34 fighter bomber during a raid in March 2022. However, as the conflict wore on, reports emerged of the Su-34 encountering significant challenges and suffering losses at the hands of Ukrainian defenses. Despite its formidable specifications on paper, the Su-34's actual performance in the Ukrainian theater fell short of expectations. The aircraft faced formidable resistance from Ukrainian Air Force interceptors and ground-based air defenses, resulting in multiple losses and instances of damage. Reports of rudimentary civilian GPS receivers found in the cockpits of downed Su-34s raised questions about the reliability of the aircraft's navigation systems, highlighting potential technical shortcomings. Additionally, footage circulated on the internet showcased several Su-34 aircraft being downed, predominantly by Ukrainian forces, with some incidents attributed to friendly fire. As of May 20, 2023, visual evidence confirmed 20 instances of Su-34s being lost, damaged, or abandoned by Russian forces since the onset of the conflict. The series of mishaps and setbacks experienced by the Su-34 in Ukraine have led to speculation regarding the aircraft's deployment strategy and inherent design deficiencies. While the Su-34 was conceived to replace aging aircraft in Russia's aerial arsenal, its performance in Ukraine has raised questions about its suitability for modern warfare against well-equipped adversaries. As the conflict continues to unfold, further analysis and scrutiny of the Su-34's performance will shed light on the aircraft's strengths, weaknesses, and long-term prospects in Russia's military inventory. In this video, we've delved into the fascinating world of the Sukhoi Su-34, exploring its history, design, capabilities, and operational performance. We've seen how this versatile aircraft has played a pivotal role in conflicts such as the Syrian Civil War and the Ukraine conflict, showcasing its strengths and revealing its challenges in the heat of battle. As we recap the key points discussed, it's clear that the Su-34 represents a formidable force in modern aerial warfare, with its advanced avionics, lethal armament, and rugged design. However, its operational history also highlights the importance of strategic planning and adaptation to evolving threats on the battlefield. The significance of the Sukhoi Su-34 cannot be overstated, as it continues to shape the landscape of air combat and defense capabilities around the world. Its versatility, reliability, and combat effectiveness make it a valuable asset for any air force seeking to maintain air superiority and project power across vast distances. We encourage you, our viewers, to share your thoughts and insights in the comments section below. What was your favorite fact about the Su-34, and which aircraft would you like to see featured next? Your feedback is invaluable to us as we strive to bring you more engaging and informative content. With that said, thanks for joining us for this look at the Sukhoi Su-34. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great aviation content. And don't forget to leave your questions and comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.